Okay, Shamshabi Shreen, bring you into the conversation. Uh, how does India really maneuver what's happening today, Shamshabi Shreen? Because unfortunately, uh, and as I've mentioned earlier, domestic violence, dowry deaths, dowry harassment, these are extremely important, extremely sensitive topics, and therefore there was a need to bring in extremely stringent and strict laws so that women would not fear the husband or his family if they were to come forward in these matters. But unfortunately, what has happened because of the false cases is that today there is now a reverse argument that has begun in the country, where people are saying that there have to be some sort of alternate laws for men as well. How do we really maneuver the situation? Because suddenly the conversation is now only about the false cases and how women are misusing some of the laws that were made to protect them.
Well, the point in this whole thing is that when 1,000 died, no one talks. When one man dies, everyone starts talking. We have been hearing that women have been harassed in the marriage when they are going to court, and then because of just traveling from here to there, from the pillar to post, and then finally a girl dies. No one talks about it. Why? Because ये तो आम बात है. It happens. Women को तो लगता है ऐसा कि उनको ना harass किया जा रहा है. But that is not the point. Problem is that yes, at the case what is there in the open domain, that there were around 200 dates that were given in this matter, out of which only in 40 days this husband appeared and not in the other dates. So when you were not appearing on the other dates, someone else was harassed over there. So plus in such kind of matters, since I am a practicing lawyer, I have been dealing with such kind of matters. Every matter we hear, whenever the wife asks for the maintenance, the husband says मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, बच्चे का जो खर्चा है वो मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. People don't understand that women is not like a phone कि आपका शोरूम में मतलब घर लेके आए, it's not working well, give it back. It's not like that. So even if the marriage is for 6 months, there is a law wherein you have to pay the maintenance. So what happens in the court is that when I ask for my maintenance, for instance 25,000 per month, the husband says मेरी salary इतनी नहीं है, so I can't pay you. I can pay you only 5,000 rupees. So when they come up with, all right, so don't pay me every month, pay me a lump sum amount. Let me get out of this marriage, this case and all. So when she asked for 20 lakh or 30 lakh rupees, from the age now till my death, and the kid turns 18. So if she is asking 30 lakh rupees, the boy starts with, I can pay you only 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh. So when a judge said that you make a payment of 5 CR, it is out of, because this is what happens in the court. Negotiations happen like anything. If she has said 5 crore, the matter will be settled at 50 lakh. So this is what actually happened. So the judge never intended to harass the boy, but because after 200 dates he has appeared only on the 40 dates. So the court also needs to make sure that the husband gets to know that the law is strict. You have to come to court. You have to get this sorted out. Otherwise, तारीख पे जो तारीख का ये जो dialogue है, it is only because of all of them. All right. So,
there are some really objectionable things that are being said here.